Friends, the given problem is find the volume bounded by xy plane, the paraboloid z is equal to x square plus y square and the cylinder x square plus y square is equal to 4. By the observation in this problem, we are finding the volume in the xy plane. What is the formula we have? Volume formula is V is equal to double integral over R z into dx dy. So if you evaluate the volume means to find the volume, we require z value and the region of region in the xy plane. Okay, here you observe they are given one condition, that is 2z is equal to x square plus y square. 2z is equal to x square plus y square. From this you can get z. What is the z value? X square plus y square by 2. That's it. Next, what you require to find out? Limits we need to find out for the region. Which region here? Cylinder they are given. You see x square plus y square is equal to 4. Here you see z xy plane, z is 0. Okay. Now this is xy plane. If you consider, I am drawing in a xy plane. This is x ordinate and this is the y ordinate. Now region we require x square plus y square is equal to 4 means from the 0 to total. So this is the shaded region is our region. Now we have to evaluate this integrand. Now we know the z value. Z value is x square plus y square by 2. Next we require to find out the limits. What you have here? X square plus y square is equal to 4 is a circle. So this is a circle. Now you see x square plus y square is equal to 4. I will write the step for you. First, double integral over R z is x square plus y square by 2 into dx dy. This is V. Now to evaluate this integral from the Cartesian to, I am changing into polar coordinates. Changing into polar coordinates. How we can change means this is a circle. Circular, if you written then circle you can write as x square plus y square is equal to r square, where x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta and dx dy is equal to Jacobian of x comma y with respect to r comma theta is r into dr d theta. Next, this is full circle. Yes or no? Full circle. And x square plus y square is equal to r square. If you are compared, then you will have with the radius is what? 2. Radius is r square is equal to 4. So r is here 2. And theta, total theta you have to take in 4 quadrants. In the four quadrants, theta value is from 0 to 2 pi. So the reason you see in polar coordinates r comma theta is 0 less than r is equal to r less than r is equal to 2 and 0 less than r is equal to theta less than r is equal to 2 pi. Okay. You see we have 2z is equal to x square plus y square. So from this in the xy plane z is equal to 0. So x square plus y square is equal to 0. That is why r square is equal to 0 and r square is equal to 4. Nothing but r is from 0 to plus 2 only. That is the reason we are taking 0 less than r is equal to r less than r is equal to 2. Instead of minus 2 is less than r is equal to r less than r is equal to 2. Clear? Now changing into polar coordinates. Now you have these terms. Substitute in the volume integral. Then r limit is from 0 to 2 and theta is from 0 to 2 pi. X square plus y square is nothing but here you have r square by 2 into dx dy is nothing but dx dy what I have? R into dr into d theta. Is it clear for everyone how I have written this step? Friends, you see they are given paraboloid 2z is equal to x square plus y square. In the xy plane this value is 0. So x square plus y square is equal to 0. So from 0 to this total region we have to take. Total circle we have to take. That is x square plus y square equal 4. That is the reason only r value you are taken from 0 to 2. Next theta value is nothing but it is occupied, the region is occupied in the 4 quadrants, that is why 0 to 2 pi. And this is a circle, so you can compare with x square plus y square equal to r square, where x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. And from the Jacobian, changing into double integral we have dx dy is equal to Jacobian of dr d theta, where Jacobian value for x comma y, r comma theta we are getting r. Is it clear? Now you can do integration very easily. Here you observe it is a double integral. Moreover, the limits of r is independent means constant, theta also constant. So you can do integration irrespective of order. Nothing but here you see r cube by 2 we have. First directly I am doing this is r cube by 2 dr into integral 0 to 2 pi 1 into d theta. I can do like this. Now Here r cube integration r to the power of 4 divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8. Limits from 0 to 2 into 1 integration with respect to theta is theta, limits from 0 to 2 pi. So this is equal to r to the power of 4 is nothing but 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 by 8 is 2 into theta is nothing but here you have 2 pi. So 2 times of 2 pi, that is 4 pi. So what is the volume we have? 4 pi. Is it clear for everyone how to solve this problem? Right. Thank you for watching this video.